Hello everyone, have you ever opened an XML file and been greeted with a screen full of text like this? Finding the actual information can be frustrating, especially if you just want to read the data, not the code. The good news is that you don't need any special XML viewer or programming knowledge. Windows probably already has what you need. So let me show you how to view XML files in a easy to read format. So let's start. Here is my XML file. Now open Microsoft Excel. Click on blank workbook. Now simply select and drag and drop XML file into blank worksheet. If Excel asks you want to open the file, choose as an XML table and click OK. Again click OK. Within a few seconds, Excel automatically organizes the XML data into rows and columns. Now each record has its own row and every field is placed in a separate columns. Instead of reading through XML tags, you can quickly scan, search, sort, and filter the data just like any other normal spreadsheet. But keep in mind that not every XML file has the same structure. Some complex XML file may not display perfectly as a table, depending on how they were created. But for many XML files, this is one of the fastest and easiest way to view the data. Now you know a simple trick to make XML files much easier to read without installing any extra software. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Windows and computer tips. Thanks for watching and